Hey everyone, this is the demo of how do you create an orchestrator bot and what are some of its functionalities, right? So let's just begin with what is an orchestrator bot. Now, if you consider, we can create a family of a bot rather, right, in which one bot, which acts as the parent bot or the orchestrator bot, will be able to drive the behavior of its child bots. And what are the functionalities which are supported with it? I'll talk about it eventually in this video. But let's just start with how do you create an orchestrator bot in the first place. So I can go to your landing page after doing a basic authentication. You'll land to some page or a bot in which you have access to. Any bot is fine. The flow is pretty simple. How do you create a normal bot also? Right? If you just go to this drop down and click on orchestrator create bot, you find two options here. And this is for a regular bot as you know, but this is specifically for creating an orchestrator bot. Now just go ahead and click on it. And now you get to a pop-up which is pretty similar to how do you create a normal bot also. First, but the most important part of creating an orchestrator bot is to select the right subscription. Because if I select a subscription, the child bots which I will be able to add over here are limited based on what are present under the subscription, right? So that's the important part. We are not allowing inter subscription based orchestration, right? If you think that the child bots which you need to be a part of the orchestrator are in different subscriptions, you can contact me. You can ping me on Slack and to the account Sriram Pingali, and then we can get that done. But anyways, getting back to the point, you have to select the right subscription, fill in the basic details, industries, and then just select whatever child bots are you think necessary, right? After selecting all this, you have an option called Unify Inbox. So this part is important. So what this is that you will be able to, if you enable this, you will be able to redirect all the childbot tickets to the parent bot's inbox. I'll show this functionality eventually, but this part is very, because it's a permanent step right now. After doing this create orchestrator, you will not be able to edit it. So choose carefully whatever you're based on your requirement. If you don't select it, then all the tickets will be there in the respective childbots only. So that will happen. But if you do enable, the inbox of parent will be active. Just go ahead and orchestrator. I've already done this, so we can move ahead.